Hello students, good afternoon. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So again we are here for Learn Science. I am your teacher from Mahdi School, Mubassira Miss, and we learn science. So today we continue our lesson number 3, the world of plant. Today we learn about another part of the plant. But before that, we start our lecture with this thought that education is not the learning of facts but the training of the mind to think. So, if you think, your mind will become more intelligent. So, we start our lesson. What we learn today? We learn about parts of the plant stem. So, let's start our lesson. But before that, let's revise that what we learned yesterday. What we learned yesterday? Anyone remember? Okay, I tell you. We learn about parts of the plant. That how many parts of the plant and which are they? We see these two pictures and we learn about 5 parts of the plant. Flower, fruit, leaf, stem and root are part of the plant. We learn that plant has 5 parts. Which are they? Roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. Let's see the picture of that. It is a root. You can see the roots. Then stem. Then leaf. Neem tree leaf. Then we learn about flowers and fruit. So these all are parts of the plant which we learned yesterday. Another thing we learned that what we need to grow plant, it's seed. So we need seed to grow plant. We planted a small plant. We watering it, and when you watering the plant start growing and roots start growing. Then we learn about roots yesterday. That where roots grow underground. What is root? Root is an underground part of the plant and very important part of the plant. Work of root in plant we learn that root absorb water from the soil. Root fixes plant to the ground. And we learn function of roots. That root fixes plant to the ground, take water from the soil, and root also take nutrients from the soil. So before we start our today's topic, let's know something interesting about roots. Yesterday we learned about roots, that how roots grow. So here I tell you one place where only banyan trees are there. So it is a picture of banyan tree. You can see here, this tree is located in Kabirwad, the place. The place is middle of Narmada river. So, in further time, there was only one banyan tree. But after, from one banyan tree, so many banyan trees are grow. You can see here the picture of banyan tree. In this place, there are so many banyan trees which grow from roots. You can see here roots of banyan tree. All trees of this place grow from roots. So here roots of banyan tree you can see. So when roots grow and they get nutrients and water, they make new plant. So like that, roots are making a new. So it is an incredible grow of a banyan tree which has grown over the years and now occupy an area of almost 3 kilometers. So in further time there is only one tree and now almost area of 3 kilometers covered with banyan tree. So this is the example of roots which grow under the ground. You can see here that banyan tree has so many roots. Now we learn about roots yesterday. So there is some different types of roots here. You can see roots underground. So these all are roots. From these roots, some roots we can eat, which we learn in our next lesson. So here is the different types of roots. First roots you can see very thin. Second is little bit thick. Then you can see carrot. Then you can see beetroot. And you can see another roots. So these all are different types of roots. Here you can see another example of roots. So these all are roots and roots are grow underground. Now let's learn about new part of the plant. Today we learn about stem. We all know that plants have 5 parts: root, stem, flower, fruit and leaf. So today we learn about stem. We learn about where stem grow, how stem grow, all of things. Here, what did you see in this picture? You see in this picture that people are cutting the tree. So the part of the plant which they are cutting is stem. You can see the stem. Here, some stems are long, some stems are small. So it is the brown part which you can see is stem of the plant. We learn about stem today. Now, here that how stem grow. This is the growth of stem. If you grow little plant, then stem is little. If you grow big plant, stem is big. But when you grow plant, first stem are very small, like every part of the plant. So how stem grow? You can see here, first plant is very small, then little big, then big and big. You can see that. So this straight part of the plant is root which joint with soil. You can see that straight part of the plant which joint with soil or land is stem. When you grow a plant, roots are grow underground. Like that, stem are grow up ground. So as roots grow in underground, as it is stem grow up ground. When roots are growing, they give nutrients and water to plant and plant start growing. So when stem came out from the soil, then plant start growing. Before that, plant grow underground. So here in this picture you can see growth of stem. Stem grows same as root, but stem is grow on ground and root is grow underground. In here you can see stem is up ground in last plant and roots are growing underground. When roots perfectly grow, then they give nutrients to stem and stem start growing. How stem look? You can see the picture of one tree which has no leaf. So it is a stem. Stem is available in all over the plant. You can see the thick stem start growing, then plant start growing, then leaf start growing. So stem is look like. Most of the stem are brown. Big plant has brown stem. Some plants has green stem. So these all are different types of stem. Stems look like that. You can see here the picture of stem. Here you can see the picture of real stem. So stems start growing from soil and spread all over the plant. Here you can see that another plant has leaf, but this plant has no leaf because of winter. Some plants leaf are fell down because of winter. You can see here the branches of stem are spread all over the plant. So stem is a thick part of the plant. Stem start growing from the soil and it is connected with every part of the plant. In further picture you see the picture of one tree and how it spread stem all over the plant. Now let's see that how stem connected with each part of the plant. You can see here one plant. In this plant, the stem, brown part is a stem and another part is root. You can see here root that connected with stem. Roots are growing underground. So roots are connected with soil and When stem start growing, stem connected with root. When you cut the stem and disconnect with root, the plants stop growing. So, if you want to grow healthy plant or if you want to grow a plant, then roots are give nutrients to stem. So, stem is a very important part of the plant. Now, here you can see the picture of one plant in which leaves are connected with stem. So again the brown part is stem and green part is leaf which connected with stem. So stem start growing from soil and connect with roots. Then stem connect with leaf. Here is lemon tree. This lemon tree, you can see the lemon is fruit of the plant. So, lemon also connected with stem. You can see here in circle that lemon is connected with stem. So, the brown part, beside that you can see the stem, then one branch connect with lemon. So, stem is connected with every part of the plant and join the plant with each other. Now, let's see what is work of stem. Like yesterday, we learned that what work of roots, that they absorb water and nutrients from soil and give to the plant. So today we learn what stem work and how stem work. Stem gives support to the plant. When you grow any tree, stem make this tree straight. Stem takes food and water to all parts of the plant. The nutrients and water which take from soil by roots is carried by stem in all over the part of plant. Now let's see how it's possible. So here you can see the picture of one plant. The root absorb water and nutrients from the soil. So when root absorb all these things, stem carry nutrients and water and spread it all over the plant. You can see here that root is connected with stem. So when root absorb food and water, stem collect it. Then it's carry forward to another plant. We all know that all parts of the plant are connected to each other. So the stem is collect all this food and water, then carry forward to other plant. When stem carry forward to leaf, then leaf growing very fast. So stem is carry all food and water from the roots and then leaf and fruit start growing and flowers are start growing. You can see here the lemon is connected with stem. So when roots absorb the water from soil, they give to stem and stem spread it all over the plant. So stem is help plant to grow and give nutrients and water to the plant, because all parts of the plant are connected with stem. Stem also store nutrients for growing leaf, flower and fruit. As we learn in further picture, then stem is carry forward nutrients and water. Then stem also store nutrients and water, then use after some time to growing leaf and flower. So stem is not only carry forward the food and water, it also store food and water. Now let's see different types of stem. You can see here so let's see the different types of stem. Here you can see thick and big stem. It is a big stem. So when you see banyan tree, the stem of banyan tree is very thick. When you see rose plant, the stem of rose plant is very small. So different types of stem divide plant into different types that we learn in next lecture. Here you can see the picture of rose plant. In further picture you see big stem. In this picture you see strong but small stem. So rose plant has small stem. So it is another example of small stem. Most of the flowers has small stem. Like lotus has soft stem, but the stem of the lotus is small. Now it is a money plant. The stem of the money plant is very soft. The stem of money plant needs support to grow. So some stem give support to plant and some stem need support to grow. So it is an example of soft stem. Some stem like coriander, mint, all has soft stem. Now let's see what we learn today. That we learn about stem. How stem grow. We learn that stem grow as roots grow. But roots grow underground and stem grow on the ground. What is work of stem in growing plant? So what is stem help to growing plant? That stem carry water and nutrients to all part of the plant. So today we learn about stem, which one of the part of plant. What is the work of stem? That stem gives support to the plant. How it support? That they give straight support to plant. Stem takes food and water to all parts of the plant. Stem connect with every part of the plant. As we see the picture, that stem connect with leaf, stem connect with fruits, stem connect with roots. That we learn about roots, about a banyan tree which located in Narmada river, the Kabir word, different types of root and how roots grow. You can see here the picture of root. Then we start learn about stem part of the plant. The brown part of the plant is stem. How stem grow. Stem grow on the ground as roots grow underground. You can see here both picture. Then we learn how stem look. Thick part of the plant is stem, which spread all over the plant. Stem start growing from the soil and connected with every part of the plant. You can see here stem connected with root, stem connected with leaf, stem connected with fruit. What is work of stem? Stem gives support to the plant to be straight. Stem takes food and water to all part of the plant. How? Because stem is connected with every part of the plant. Stem connected with fruit. Stem also store nutrients for growing leaf and flower and fruits. Then we learn about different types of stem. Thick and big stem, woody stem, small but woody stem. All flowers has woody stem. Then soft stem like money plant, grapevines. Then we learn about work of stem. Stem gives support to the plant, takes food and water to all plant, and stem connected with every part of the plant. Stem also store nutrients for growing leaf and fruits. So